Hello everybody, my name is Fani Gupta. In today's session, we will learn some new English vocabulary words which will help you to clear CLAT and other competitive exams. Vocabulary has been always very important in our day-to-day life also. So it is always good to have a good vocabulary. So by watching these videos and by learning new words every day, you can accomplish your goal of having a good vocabulary. So anything, any synonym, antonym, any difficult words can be easily solved if you have a good knowledge of English vocabulary. So now let's get started and let's learn the first word of the day, that is mollify, meaning to make someone less angry or upset. If you want to lessen somebody's anger or you want someone to forgive you, that is mollify. Sentence: I tried to mollify her by giving her flowers. I tried to lessen her anger by giving her flowers. Next word is juvenile. Juvenile meaning for or relating to young people. Generally जो young लोगों के लिए या बच्चों के लिए जो quotes बनाए जाते हैं, anything related to young people, that is called juvenile. Juvenile quotes कई बार सुना होगा कि when under 18 कोई भी crime commit करते हैं या under 18 something has been done, so they are being presented in the juvenile court. Sentence: she wasn't sent to the juvenile court, instead she was cautioned. She was not sent to the juvenile court, instead she was left by warning. Next word is levitate, meaning to cause to rise and float in the air without any physical support. When somebody rises and floats in air, when actually somebody made to rise and float in the air without any physical support, because of you can say gravitational force, that is levitate. Sentence: the guru claimed that he could levitate. The guru claimed that he could levitate. He could rise and float in the air without any physical support. Rancor, meaning a feeling of hate and continuing anger about something in the past. पास्ट में कुछ ऐसा होने की वजह से जिससे आपकी मन में हेट्रेड और एंगर हो, दैट इज कॉल्ड रैंकर. सो बिकॉज ऑफ सम पास्ट रिलेटेड इवेंट्स you are still angry, you still have developed hate in your heart, that is rancor. Sentence: a good man terminates a friendship without a rancor. एक अच्छा इंसान जो होता है वो एक फ्रेंडशिप को हमेशा खत्म करता है एक गुड नोट पे, विदाउट having any feeling of hate and anger, with no hard feelings. So a good man always ends friendship on a good note. Caveat, meaning a warning of specific conditions or limitations. Caveat is basically a warning जो कि कुछ specific conditions पे या limitations पे दी जाती है. Sentence: an important caveat to this is that the agreement must be fair and responsible. So the most important warning इस चीज के लिए ये है कि जो agreement है वो fair होना चाहिए और reasonable होना चाहिए. Ulterior, meaning hidden or secret, something जो कि छुपी हुई है, concealed है, secret है, that is ulterior. Sentence: she definitely had an ulterior motive in offering to help. If she is offering in help, 100% there is some hidden secret or something, her motive, that is why she is offering to help us. Soporific, meaning causing sleep or making a person want to sleep. If you want a person to sleep or you do something because of which a person sleeps, that is soporific. Sentence: I dozed off during this soporific music. Because of the soporific music, after listening to soporific music, I dozed off to sleep. Ambit, meaning an area in which something acts or operates or has power or control. Ambit का मतलब होता है particularly एक specified area जिसके अंदर ही कोई चीज काम करती है, एक्ट करती है, ऑपरेट करती है, या उसी के मद्देनजर किसी चीज में पावर और कंट्रोल होता है, दैट इज ambit. Sentence: this case falls clearly within the ambit of the 1994 Act. ये जो केस है, this clearly falls within the area of 1994 Act. Quell, meaning to completely stop or end something. किसी चीज को एकदम ही खत्म कर देना. You want to put an end to it. You want to just stop it. halt, not halt, stop it, that is quell. Sentence, the police were called in to quell the riot. जो पुलिस को बुलाया गया था जिससे कि वो riot को खत्म करवा सके, so that they can come and put an end to the riot. Lug, meaning carry or drag a heavy or bulky object with a great effort. जब कोई बहुत ही heavy ऑब्जेक्ट को आप ड्रैग करते हो या कैरी करने की कोशिश करते हो बहुत मेहनत विद ग्रेट एफर्ट, दैट इज लग. सेंटेंस, nobody wants to lug around huge suitcases full of clothes. So nobody wants to carry such bulky suitcases with full of clothes. So these were the words for the day. Now it's time for the quiz. Please write the meaning of the following words. First word is ostracize, second brash, third one, fourth groggy. Please write the meaning of the following words. So now it's time for answers. First word is ostracize. To avoid someone intentionally or to prevent someone from taking part in the activities of a group. Ostracize का मतलब होता है जब आप जानबूझ के किसी को avoid करते हो and you don't want that person to take part in any of the activity of a group, that is ostracize. Brash, showing too much confidence and too little respect. Brash is basically attitude in which you are very overconfident. Sometimes you end up disrespecting people in that attitude, so that is brash. One, basically अभी इसमें smile के context में दिया है when you giving a smile which is lack of energy, lack of enthusiasm, very fake smile, that is one. Fourth is groggy, dazed, weak, unsteady, especially from illness, intoxication, sleep. When you feel very weak, when you feel very lazy, are weak, sleepy, because किसी बीमारी की वजह से, or you are intoxicated, you're given something, so that is groggy. So these were the words for the day. I hope you liked the session. Thank you very much. Please like and keep sharing.